So today we're going to unbox this box that is face skincare, and we're going to see what's inside. I'll put it right below. Well, they're really so nice, really cute. This is for hydrating mask. I don't know if you can see here. Hydrating mask. And hydrating face and neck serum. Wow, interesting. And let's see what the last one is. Hydrating mist. Oh, so this is like for spray at the face. And back here has the directions. And how to use it. I'm gonna use this all night, and they're really cute. I really love them. You can buy them at Five Below, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try them out and tell you guys how is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the